Bitch, I pull up with 100, but got 50 in it. We been spinning ever since them niggas did that shit they did. Stick ain't got no kickback, this to get back what the message is. Rocket when I'm stepping in, ain't going unless my weapon in. Shade song can't look me in my eyes, you probably see the fire. Last nigga tried, put him in ICU, barely survived. I be having shootouts with the devil, I just don't televise. Flooded check my bezel out, I could change the weather now. Hashtag, you and your bros, I don't need no gas mask. I'm ready for smoke. Niggas can't even hit my gas. I look at niggas like some hoes. Shoot his ass like strike a pole. I fuck with her, can't wife it all. Yo, shout out to the South, I fought with Twin because he shot with me. Shout out to myself, I don't need these niggas to give props to me. Shout out to the pussy, tried to get me for my watching shit. Before really wasn't watching shit, but niggas know I'm poppin' shit. In Miami, bitch, hand me that fin, I'm out the window. Tell them whole shit up, get down, fuck them lights, and he like tenfold. Niggas geeking on them Pinto, I like fucking on them slim hoes. I like how the fuck we put it out, that shit was like a movie. Can't be naked, get that fine, feel my powers, I get groove. Smith and Wessons, I get reckless, where that train do something to me. Shotta know I spend that bag, her last nigga ain't had no cash. See my auntie playing with the dough, she told me it was chalk. Make him shed some blood, send him some slugs since he wanna throw salt. Niggas be like, bro, for you I ride, that's what I thought. Fuck I thought. Shit, I had to hit the fence offense, I'm ball mains. I fucked them up, nigga was shooting like a ball game. My brother stuck behind the fence and scream my dog name. Yeah, you know the fuck, bro.